In SOLIDWORKS assemblies, one of the key things is performance. One way to enhance performance is by reducing the detail level of your model. This is done by going to Tools, Options, Document Options. Go to the Image Quality tab and then turn it down to about 20 or 30%. Doing this in both your parts and assemblies will enhance the performance of the assembly. You might also look into another setting. Under Options, System Options, you will find a Performance tab. Make sure that the Verification on Rebuild checkbox is not checked. While it's good for troubleshooting imported parts, it will reduce performance greatly.